What's up, Revamp Tribe? I want to give y'all an update on my potatoes, sweet potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and transplant them because these vines are getting a bit too long right now. And if you look under, we got roots. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put it into one of these grow bags. Now, don't judge me, but Temu be taking all my coins, honestly, because I definitely mess with them. I'm trying to go ahead and stay away from plastic growing. I was curious, so I did it with plastic. I didn't want to buy anything extra, but obviously if I'm getting serious, I'm gonna try to use something that's not plastic. So I bought some of these for later. What I'm trying to show y'all is I got this kit to cut off my sweet potatoes. Let me open it up, hold on. In the kit, we got the cutting. I'm tired of using my salon shears. So I got these, y'all. And it comes with all of this. Okay, they're really inexpensive. I'm always trying to shop on a budget, and it has these too, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and cut the sweet potato. Well, before I cut the sweet potato, I don't even know which is which. Like, there's so many different options here. Like, which one do I use for what? I'm just gonna pick this one. Here we go. I'm professional now. I'm a real gardener. It's official. All right, I'm gonna figure out which one I need to cut. I can't hold. I'm gonna try to record it and cut at the same time. Let me try to figure this out. Hold on. Okay, so I was trying to get the one with the really long vine that was about to grow to the ground. It's not this one. It's definitely this one. See how long it is? So let's go ahead and snip. Let's find the root, which is right here. Y'all, I'm struggling. I really can't find. I'm getting everything all mixed up, and I feel like this mulch helped these roots grow faster. Like, do I dig this out? All right, I found my big boy. I had to go deep digging in there. I took some of the mulch out and put it in here. But this is it. Look at how many roots we have. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna get it deep in here. I think deep down in there. I don't know if y'all can see. I hope they don't cut the wrong thing. I cut it. It's done. That's enough roots. I could work with that. Look at her in her glory. He, she, I don't know who she is. Okay, we gotta give her a name. But we're gonna put her in one of these bags. It's happening. Oh, I can't believe it's happening. Finally, I was wasting time. I think I'm gonna cut one more off, just the way I have two that I can put in these grow bags. I know I can use all of them, but you know, I got my experiment in the back, and I got slips back there that I wanna see how they grow too. Y'all, I can't believe it's my first time doing this, and I have such good results. Like, you know, I did my research. I watched a few videos. I better get up because we got fire ants. I don't know if you can see it, but they're gonna get me. So I cut off 3 so far, and the first one that I cut off, I feel was not deep enough, because the next 2, you see that red stuff at the bottom? I feel like that's deeper in the root area, which I should have. There's a mosquito. But okay, here goes it better. So yeah, so you see the red stuff? I think that's where I should have cut it off. So the first one that I cut off a bit too soon. I should have went deeper, because the further you go down, you see more of the red stuff. I don't know what that is, y'all. I'm saying red stuff, but let's see if it works. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in soil in a second. My mom's going to church. Hey, Mom, say hey to camera.